everyone, nice to have you here today. In this highlight clip, we'll discuss adding and subtracting fractions with examples. Let's hit the ground running. We have these two fractions, 3 over 2 and 3 over 5. And we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom. So we have 3 times 5, which is equal to 15. Multiply the first bottom times the second top. So we have 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Now just add those two numbers. So we have 15 plus 6, which is equal to 21. Multiply the two denominators. So we have 2 times 5, which is equal to 10. And that is all. Hit like and subscribe if you want to see more videos.